Oh, Florida man here. I mean, JakeOfALL here, and ooh, that's hot. I got something new for PACKOUT Princess.
I'm gonna put that away.
But no, it's a shot glass holder.
Okay.
And I'm gonna laser engrave like drunk or tipsy, drunk, falling over.
Go home.
Watch out. Watch your husbands, ladies. Something like that on here. Okay, whatever. So, you like the glasses? All right. You saw the laser project stuff that I was doing in the past? Everything is orange right now. Wow. And I've got my work surface here, and I liked the Ortur laser really well, but it would be nice to have a smaller one. So I got something new, and we're going to put it together, and we're going to try it out. It is the Ortur Aufero.
There you go.
There we go. That take works. It's the Aufero Laser 1. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing unboxed over here and put together. And I'm going to take you guys along. Alright, I got my fancy glasses. What I'm going to do, now that I have this screwed onto my plate, and I'll go a little bit more into what this is, but I'm going to go ahead and go into the Lightburn software, and I'm going to tell it to give me a little perimeter so that I can align stuff in the future. So we'll go ahead and let that run. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see it a little bit more. Let's take a look. So, you can see here what I've done. And I'm probably going to move that bracket, but if you look, what I did was I got this border, I got a center square, I have my logo, well, just my initials. So then I always know which way this is in the software. And what I'm saying is, right, so there's the software, okay? So then I'll always know which way's up. So like, for example here, if I were to take this, put it on the desk, like this, then every time I put something on here, all I have to do is line it up to that to know, or this bottom edge. And yes, I will be filling these holes. This was a pre-done plate that I had. It works. Don't hate me. So I'm gonna go ahead and design up some of these business cards with some of the logos that I used to have. Let's see how they look. Oh, I didn't see you there. Hold on a second. I need to take off my fancy Florida man glasses. All right, we've got an aluminum card loaded, and we're gonna go ahead and try to etch this QR code. I've got Lightburn open. I've got my settings that should work. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit fire, and let's see what happens. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I was outside in the sun, keeping my eyes protected. But hey, we're gonna do this business card, and what we're gonna go ahead and do is etch the QR codes, the font, you know, you name it, and we're gonna do it in one of these wood ones. So let's go ahead and kick this thing off. Hey, so I figured something out. I forgot my settings were off. So I went ahead and I did one of the aluminum cards. And do me a favor, you guys hold your phone up to your YouTube video and tell me in the comments if these links work for you. I do need to go ahead and do the front side, but yeah, so that works. I also cut out a bunch of other different things. I was playing around with this burning through cutting, which it did a pretty good job. You can see here, I did some hexagons, all this fun stuff, earrings, whatever. I want to show you what comes with this kit, but I want to show you something even cooler first off. It's a PACKOUT laser. Look at this. I mounted it to a PACKOUT. How cool is that? Okay, let's go over all of the things that they include. So they included a couple of the thinner cards, but you can see these sort of twist a little in the humidity. They include a little PVC one. This is what one of the cards looks like. They also include this piece of acrylic, which you can experiment with. This is also your depth gauge for this laser module. And it's pretty simple. You just set the item you want to cut on there. Put your depth gauge on top of your item, you bring this over and you set your height. They then also include a wrench, a couple Allens, set screws, a depth gauge for this laser module, and it also works for this laser module. And I want to show you a little bit more about these laser modules. But yeah, I totally put this stuff in a PACKOUT. So it's not a shark with a laser beam, but I can literally take this now and have a PACKOUT. With a laser beam. So let's go ahead and look at these laser modules. I'll tell you the difference. I'm going to go ahead and take this one off so I can show you a little bit more closer details. And we'll review it. And don't forget, I did this video a while back about a different laser, and I'm gonna give away one of these business cards to one lucky person. So let me go ahead and get this taken apart. Go ahead and stop. All right, I got the module off the laser cutter engraver, and I've got all three of them here set up. And what I want to do is we'll sort of work from left to right, and we'll go over the different details on them. So the LU2-2 7-watt laser module, that one is better for precision, okay? This next one here, which is the LU2-4 SF, it's a 20-watt, it's a short focus, SF short focus. This one I really like because it's got this little magnetic cover, and this is the one that you literally take this, and you set it on your workpiece, and I can't find the thing, with the little gauge that they include, the other one, and that's how you set your height. It seems to do a really good job. And then this next one, if you can see, this one's got all kinds of fancy little doodads, and this is to hook up to an air compressor. So if you wanted to cut something, this would definitely be your better one. And that one is the LU2-4-LF, meaning long focus. And that one is the one that you use this gauge with, which is pretty simple the way you use these. You literally lift up the shield, you set it like that, which you can see how it's away from the workpiece. Okay, you move the gauge out of the way, you put the shield down. When you're using this one, you just undo these little thumb screws, slide the shield off, slide the shield onto the next one, and do the exact same procedure. set your depth to your material, tighten down your thumb screws. Granted, you would have this up, right? Tighten down your thumb screws, move your shield back into place, and now you can proceed to cut. So again, this one is better for precision. This one for harder materials. I personally like this one. It's easy to set up, easy to use, and it's got this nice little magnetic shield. And then this other one, which is a 20-watt long focus, if you want to use your air compressor. So check back on my channel for this one, because I'm going to go ahead and get the Milwaukee M18 air compressor set up on this so that I can try to do some cutting. I might not cut over the PACKOUT, but I want to go ahead and announce the winner that's going to get one of their own versions of these. And PACKOUT Princess was able to help me out with that. Who was the winner?
Can you read it?
I don't know, just tell me.
Adam Wheel.
Adam Wheel. Okay, so if you watch this video and you got all the way to this part, go ahead, Adam, comment, message me, get a hold of me. Also, she doesn't know this, but I'm gonna go ahead and give away another business card. So just comment what you would use this for. I will include links in the description so that you can find a way to get one of these. And I'll also give somebody else a business card that will be done out of one of these red ones. So I really appreciate you guys watching this one. I would like to thank Ortur for sending me out this one. I like the smaller form factor. And as you can see, it's on a PACKOUT. So it's a PACKOUT with a freaking laser beam. So I'm the JakeOfALL, and my dog is down there farting up a storm, and it smells terrible in here. So I gotta pack out of here.